Masti Kids.
Assalamualaikum friends.
Assalamualaikum friends.
Assalamualaikum friends.
My name is Sadaf
Ishmael.
Isaac.
and today we're going to do which surah?
Qadr.
Surah Al Qadr. And what does it mean?
Degree.
Decree. That decree. Yes, the decree. Little bit of a background, friends, about Surah Al Qadr. It's a wonderful surah for Ramadan because Ramadan is approaching. We wanted to do this surah. Make it a goal for yourself. Memorize the surah. If you haven't memorized this already, put it in your daily prayers and you can recite them and get really good at it. And we'll go over what it means and what it was, why was it revealed, and all those information. So what happened, just to give you a background, our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu would go to Cave Hira, Ghar Hira. It's in Jabal Nur, it's a mountain, Al Nur. And remember, Ishmael and Isaac, we went to Cave Hira?
Yeah, we did another video last year.
Yes.
about we went to Mecca and Cave Hira is on a mountain.
Mount
And we went and we said Allah.
Yes, we talked to Allah there. We prayed to Allah there. So Cave Hira, friends, we have another video. Do watch. I'll add a link in our video too. So do watch that. It's about 1,700 uneven steps. You climb up there. There is a cave. And our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu, before he was Muslim, before he knew about Islam, before he knew how to pray, he would go there and meditate. It's a little cave. He would sit there. He knew there was a higher power. He knew there was someone who was more powerful, but he didn't know it was Allah or somebody else. He just knew it, okay? So he would go in the Cave Hira, he would meditate and he would pray. He didn't know how to pray, but he would try his best. And in that cave, the first time Quran was revealed, okay? So this surah tells us about the background. So when Prophet Jibreel alayhi salam came and told him, Ikra bi ismi rabbika allazi khalaq, read in the name of Allah, and that's how it started. So the day when Quran was revealed, it was during Ramadan time frame, and it was the night of Qadr. And this is the Laylatul Qadr, this is the Surah Qadr that we're going to read about what happens, okay? So how about Ishmael, you recite Surah Al Qadr, and Isaac, you recite Surah Al Qadr after that, and then we're going to read ayah by ayah and understand what it means. So
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In anzalnahu fi laylatil qadr. وما أدراك ما ليلة القدر ليلة القدر خير من ألف شهر تنزل الملائكة والروح فيه بإذن ربهم من كل أمر سلام هي حتى مطلع الفجر.
MashaAllah, thank you. Isaac, your turn.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. نزله في ليلة القدر وما
أدراك ما ليلة
ليلة القدر ليلة القدر هم رفع شاد الله ملائكته وهو في بإذن ربهم من كل أمر
سلام.
سلام هي حتى مطلع الفجر.
MashaAllah, thank you so much, both of you, for reciting this. So I'm going to recite ayah by ayah and we're going to understand the meaning of it, okay? So Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, we start in the name of Allah, and the first ayah is Inna anzalnahu fi laylatil qadr. Layla, friends, Layla means raat or night in Arabic. Raat we say in Urdu, night of Qadr. So night of decree. So we sent Quran down on the night of decree, okay? So Allah is saying that I sent Quran on the night of decree. وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا لَيْلَةِ الْقَدْرِ. And what do you know? Allah is asking. So I brought Quran down. I revealed Quran the first time. It's like the Quran anniversary, right? It's like when you're born, you have a birthday. So this is the kind of a birthday of Quran. This is the night, the first time Quran came down to earth and revealed to our Prophet Muhammad, who was in Cave Hira, and Prophet Jibreel brought Quran, the first verse of Quran, which was Ikra bi ismi rabbika allazi khalaq. He brought that part of Quran the first time. So Quran was revealed in portions throughout 23 years of his life, but this is the first day when Quran was revealed, and Allah is saying this is the anniversary of Quran. This is the first day Quran was revealed, was brought down to earth. So he's asking, what make you know what the night of decree is? So Allah is saying that Quran was revealed on this night, but do you even understand what the special thing is about this night? He asked the question and then he gives us the answer on the next verse, right? The next verse is Laylatul Qadri khayrum min alfi shahr. Layla, as I said, is the
Night.
Night of Qadr, night of degree. Laylatul Qadr khayrum is better. Khayrum is the Arabic word for better. So Allah is saying the night of degree is better than thousands of months. So when you pray on this particular night, okay, when you do any special deed on this particular night, it could be a charity, it could be smiling at somebody, it could be helping somebody, doing your nafil prayer, any prayer, or reading Quran or learning Quran, whatever you do on this special night, it is like you're doing it 1,000 times, thousands of months that you have done. That's what it means. Okay, so this night is better than, and Allah didn't tell us which night it is. A lot of people think it's the 27th of Ramadan, but it's the odd number of nights. So the 21st of Ramadan, the 23rd of Ramadan, the 25th and 27th and 29th, it could be any night of Ramadan. So Allah has given us all those nights to pray really, really, really hard. So if we catch this night, whatever we do on that night, it's going to be multiplied like as if we've done it for thousands of months. How many months do we have in a year?
12.
12 months. 12 months, right? And thousands of months would be so many months, right? So this night
It would be like years.
Yes, years. So Allah is saying,
It's like years and years.
years and years. So praying on this night, doing anything good on this night is like doing it for thousands of months, okay? And then the last and the fourth ayah is تَنَزَّلُ الْمَلَائِكَةُ وَالرُّوحُ فِيهِ بِإِذْنِ رَبِّهِمْ مِنْ كُلِّ أَمْرٍ. Tanazzal, nazil, tanazzal means to come down, to bring it down, okay? Malaika, what is malaika? Malaika? Remember? No. Malaika is angels, okay?
Angel.
Malaika wa ruhu is the spirits, okay? Fiha bi izni rabbihim. Rabbihim, in Arabic we say Rabbihim, your Lord. Rabbihim is Rabb, is Allah, okay? So what it means, on that night the angels and the spirits come down by the permission of their Lord. So on this special night, when this night of Qadr is happening, all the angels and the spirits are brought down to earth by the permission of
Allah.
Yes, so they come down, so it's so special. And the last ayah is Salamun hiya hatta matla'il fajr. What does salam means? When we say Assalamu alaikum, what does that mean? Greet, and it's a peace. Peace be upon you, right? Peace, blessings we said. So Salamun hiya hatta matla'il fajr. What is fajr?
You can pray a lot before Fajr time.
Fajr time is the first prayer of the day. So Allah is saying it's the peace until the rise of the dawn. It's the peace throughout the night and until the sun comes up. So until the Fajr time, the whole night you can pray and get benefits. It's a blessing. It's a special night throughout the night. You can catch this night and pray real hard. Learn this surah, surprise your mom and dad, or take their help. All you have to do is recite a couple times a night, and that's all what it takes, and you can memorize it real quick, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and we have a lot of other tafsir in our channel as well, okay? So do go like and subscribe our channel, We the Masti Kids, okay? And give a thumbs up.
Big thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe, that's right. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you guys next time with a new surah, okay? Until then, what do we say?
Allah Hafiz!
See you next time.